You are not new here. You are part of the movement.
The way culture
Welcome back to Acholi Pro Evo TV, where real stories never stop. Because of you, citizen reporting is alive. Because of you, community voices are heard. From breaking news to politics, culture, music, and entertainment, we bring it raw and authentic. We continue to showcase Acholi of Uganda and South Sudan, protecting Luo heritage and telling stories others overlook. Expect more exclusive interviews, stronger investigations, and community stories that matter. This is journalism with purpose. Your support keeps us informed, inspired, and connected. Your comments, shares, and reports power this platform. Thank you for standing with us. Stay engaged, stay vocal. Acholi Pro Evo TV, the evolution continues.